Here's a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. Adventure is still a part of your life. It just has a little different meaning now, and this Grand Caravan is the perfect tool for it. It comes with great features you love. Garmin integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, remote engine start, heated steering wheel, multi-speed automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, sport suspension, and heated leather bucket seats. New car test drive rights, the Dodge Grand Caravan offers amazing versatility with one of the most convenient cabins in its class. The flexible seating, abundance of storage space, and impressive entertainment options can make life easier for busy owners. Dodge doesn't do middle of the road. Leave average in the dust. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Since 1967, Royal Moore has delivered the best service, the best experience, and the best selection. Call, click, or stop in today.